Hey there, food lovers and tech enthusiasts! Welcome to a unique blend of culinary delights and cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Bitcoin and cloud mining. Imagine combining the thrill of discovering new recipes with the excitement of earning digital currency. Get ready to learn how you can earn free Bitcoin from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're lounging in your living room or working from your cozy home office, the possibilities are endless. It's like finding a golden ticket. But instead of a chocolate factory, it's the future of finance. Imagine holding a piece of the future right in your hand, a golden opportunity that could change your financial landscape. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, just like my 30-minute meals. No need to feel overwhelmed. We'll make sure you understand every step of the process. Whether you're a seasoned techie or a curious newbie, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the world of cloud mining. From understanding the basics to mastering advanced techniques, we've got you covered. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking up some Bitcoin. Just like preparing a delicious meal, we'll mix the right ingredients to create a recipe for success in the digital currency world. This is your chance to be part of the digital gold rush. Picture yourself mining Bitcoin, watching the value grow, and being part of a revolutionary financial movement. We'll explore the ins and outs of cloud mining, weigh the benefits and risks, and guide you every step of the way. From choosing the right platform to understanding the potential returns, we'll make sure you're well informed. Get ready to unlock the potential of free Bitcoin. With the right knowledge and tools, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy Bitcoin miner. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Before we dive into cloud mining, let's take a step back and understand what Bitcoin is all about. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, also known as cryptocurrency, that was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Imagine a currency that exists only online, not controlled by any government or bank. That's Bitcoin. It operates on a decentralized network using blockchain technology, which ensures that all transactions are secure and transparent. It's like digital gold, but instead of storing it in a vault, you keep it in a digital wallet. This wallet can be accessed from anywhere in the world, making it incredibly convenient for users. Bitcoin transactions are secure, transparent, and global. Each transaction is recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger that anyone can view, ensuring complete transparency. You can send Bitcoin to anyone in the world without needing permission from anyone. This peer-to-peer system eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, making transactions faster and cheaper. The value of Bitcoin can fluctuate just like the stock market. Its price is influenced by supply and demand, market sentiment, and various other factors. But many believe it's the future of money. As more people and businesses adopt Bitcoin, its potential to revolutionize the financial system becomes more apparent. And with cloud mining, you can get a piece of this exciting new world. Cloud mining allows you to mine Bitcoin without having to invest in expensive hardware. Instead, you rent computing power from a data center, making it accessible to everyone. Now let's talk about cloud mining. Imagine mining for gold, but instead of using a pickaxe and shovel, you're using powerful computers. That's essentially what cloud mining is all about. It involves renting computing power from a company that has massive data centers. These data centers are filled with specialized computers that solve complex mathematical problems to mine Bitcoin. You don't need to buy expensive equipment or have technical expertise to get started with cloud mining. It's like having a team of expert miners working for you 24/7. Cloud mining offers several advantages over traditional Bitcoin mining. First, it's incredibly accessible. You don't need a huge investment or technical skills to get started. Second, it eliminates the hassle of managing your own mining hardware. No need to worry about noisy fans, heat generation, or expensive electricity bills. Cloud mining companies take care of all that for you. Third, it offers flexibility. You can choose your desired contract length and hash rate, allowing you to control your investment and potential returns. Section 5. Risks and Challenges. Navigating the cloud mining landscape. While cloud mining presents an exciting opportunity, it's crucial to be aware of the risks involved. Just like any investment, there are no guarantees of profit. The value of Bitcoin can be volatile, which means your earnings can fluctuate. Additionally, the mining difficulty can increase, making it harder to mine Bitcoin and potentially impacting your returns. It's essential to choose a reputable cloud mining company with a proven track record. Thoroughly research different providers, read reviews, and compare their fees and contract terms before making a decision. Section 6. Choosing a reputable cloud mining service. Selecting a trustworthy cloud mining service is paramount to your success. Look for companies with a transparent fee structure, clear contract terms, and a proven history of payouts. Some reputable cloud mining services include HashFlare, known for its user-friendly interface and diverse mining contracts. Genesis Mining, one of the oldest and largest cloud mining providers in the industry. IQ Mining offers a variety of cryptocurrencies to mine, including Bitcoin. Remember to conduct your own due diligence before investing in any cloud mining service. Read reviews, compare pricing, and ensure the company aligns with your investment goals. Section 7. Step-by-step guide, starting your cloud mining journey. Ready to embark on your cloud mining adventure? Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, cloud mining offers a unique opportunity to earn cryptocurrency without the need for expensive hardware or technical know-how. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started on your cloud mining journey. Step 1. Choose a reputable cloud mining provider. This is crucial as the provider will be responsible for the mining operations on your behalf. Research and select a provider that meets your needs and risk tolerance. Look for reviews, compare different companies, and analyze their performance history. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up on the provider's website, providing the necessary information. This usually includes your name, email address, and sometimes additional verification details. Step 3. Select a mining contract. Providers offer various contracts with different durations, hash rates, and costs. Choose a contract based on your budget and desired hash rate. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Step 4. Make a payment. Fund your account using the available payment methods. This could be through credit card, bank transfer, or even cryptocurrency. And finally, Step 5. Start mining. Once your payment is processed, your mining contract will become active, and you'll start earning Bitcoin. The provider will handle all the technical aspects, so you can sit back and watch your earnings grow. It's as easy as that. With minimal effort, you can join the world of cryptocurrency mining. With just a few clicks, you can have your own virtual Bitcoin miners working for you around the clock. Enjoy the benefits of cloud mining and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Section 8. Maximizing your earnings, tips for success. While cloud mining can be a passive income stream, there are ways to maximize your earnings. Consider reinvesting a portion of your Bitcoin earnings to increase your hash rate and potential profits. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest trends in the cryptocurrency market. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore other cryptocurrencies and investment opportunities. Remember, patience is key in the world of cryptocurrency. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Focus on long-term growth and make informed decisions. Section 9. The future of cloud mining and Bitcoin is full of potential. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, we can expect to see new technologies and innovations emerge. Some experts believe cloud mining will become more accessible and efficient. Others predict the rise of decentralized cloud mining platforms, giving users more control over their mining operations. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and cloud mining offers an exciting glimpse into the future of finance. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the potential of cryptocurrency. Congratulations on completing our cloud mining crash course. You've taken the first step towards unlocking the potential of free Bitcoin. Remember, knowledge is power. While cloud mining offers an exciting opportunity, it's essential to approach it with caution. Do your research, invest wisely, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of cryptocurrency is full of possibilities. So, embrace the adventure, stay informed, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next Bitcoin success story.